have to go like that, but it's so ghetto.
I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump, yeah. That natural beauty, beauty.
What's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Courtney R, and I'm back with another video. I love doing that. I don't know. And today, as you can see, we are doing how I still press my hair, and also we're gonna do a little chit chat, little life update. I look bad. I look so bad. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. As you can see, I'm on the road to 200. I think I have 181 subscribers, but I'm trying to get to 200. So like, comment, subscribe, please. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so you get notified every time I post a video. Okay, I use the Conair 1875. See it? And then I use this brush, and then I part my hair, and then I just like literally go down with it until it's straight. Don't come at my hair is really damaged. I use a lot of heat on my hair, but literally like my hair is actually curly. I'm trying to find a piece for y'all. Oh, y'all can see it right here. Y'all see my curls?
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
So what I do is I split my hair, and I do like 4s maybe. It's not really hard for me to blow dry it. And we're gonna chit chat too. I just want to blow dry it, and then when I'm flat ironing it, because y'all not gonna be able to hear me. So I don't want to blow dry and be talking about what's going on with me, and y'all can't even hear me. You feel me? So I'm gonna tie this up right here. Yep. And then we just gonna blow dry this part right here. I'm about to just let them back out. Are you dead ass? Bro. No. Oh, like for real. So now I'm gonna just have to go like that with it. That's so ghetto. We blown out, baby. Look at all of this. Look at all this hair, baby. Ow! Ow! Nah, this shit hot though. This hair, I'm hot. Okay, so y'all just seen me blow dry my hair, wash it. This is how I look after I wash and blow dry. And the next step, we're gonna flat iron, and it's time for that silk press. So the first thing I do after I blow dry, when I do my little parts, first of all, I do little parts because I like my silk press to be really good. So I'll start like all the way at the bottom. Can you see? This is the amount of hair I start with. And I use this flat iron. It's the iron 1 stroke. And I put it on the highest heat because my hair is really thick. And then after I go through with the flat iron, I get my roots with the hot comb because my roots are really puffy. So I like till my roots get straight, because if my roots is puffy, your silk press is not gonna look nice. Like, nobody wants puffy roots with a silk press. So I spray first. I spray this section. Spray the other side. I'm actually gonna make this even thinner than it is. I'm gonna put this up here. The comb there. You can see the piece. I'm grabbing my phone, and I am putting that bad boy on there. So yeah, life update. I got a job, y'all. Your girl got a job. Cha-ching. Yeah, I actually got a really good job. I'm really excited because literally I have been looking for a job for a minute, and my thing is, I didn't want to work a job that wasn't paying the money I should be getting paid, if you get what I'm saying. And everybody was just paying like such bare minimum, and I'm just like, I'm not doing that. Like, I don't care what it is. I'm not getting paid some whack money. Like, no. Like, I graduated with a degree for a reason. So I was really getting sad. Like, I was getting so depressed because finding a job in COVID, when people are getting laid off and people are getting fired literally everywhere, was the hardest thing ever. And I was really getting upset because I had so many goals that I wanted to accomplish, and without a job, my goals that I wanted to accomplish couldn't get accomplished. And it was really like, it was really sad, and it was getting me mad. It was bringing me down, because like, who doesn't want to accomplish their goals? Like, it kind of really sucked. But literally, like, I used to laugh when people used to be like, oh, manifest what you want to do, like, manifest it, manifest. I used to like, the fuck type like magic shit, like. But literally, I just kept saying to myself, I was just like, I'm gonna get a good job, I'm gonna get a good job. And I just kept saying it. Like, my parents would be like, oh, so where did you decide? Where are you deciding on working? Da-da-da. I'm like, I don't know, but I'm gonna have a good job. They're like, oh, so what are you gonna do? I'm like, I don't know. Like, literally, I had no idea, y'all. Like, no idea. I just kept telling myself and everybody, I'm gonna have a good job. And everybody's like, where? And I'm like, I don't know, but it's gonna be a good job. Everybody was laughing at me like, this bitch, like, she don't even know what the hell is going on or what she wants to do. Probably taking me for a joke. But literally, I just kept talking about it and talking about it, and I literally got a good job. And it's funny because somebody actually told me about it and how it was like really competitive, and I was just like, wow. So I applied. My mom's friend actually sent me it, and she was like, apply. They just posted some things, like apply. Make sure you don't have like a bad background, because like, when I tell you, y'all, they investigate you for this job. Like, they investigate you. So I was just happy like I never got arrested or did any like foul things in the government or whatever. But oh yeah, it's a government job. I'm not gonna give too much details on my job because I don't know how much they deal with like social media and stuff, so I'm not really gonna put it out there. But basically, I work for the government, and your girl get paid a lot, and it's a really good job. So yeah, like, they literally look at everything. Like, I'm so happy, like, nothing foul has ever happened with me because they fingerprinted me, y'all. They did so much. Like, they asked for so much information, and I was just like, damn, like, good thing I'm not a bad person, like, right? So yeah, I got a job with the government. It pays really good, and I'm super excited. Like, that's really what I've been focused on. Like, I just really wanted a good job because I have so many goals, y'all. Like, I'm gonna talk a little bit about what's my goals. Like, I have no problem with talking about what I'm trying to get because, as you can see, almost burned myself. Me talking about what I want in life and what I want to achieve has actually worked out for the best for me. So now anything I want or what I'm trying to manifest, I'll talk about it. I don't care. I will talk about it like it's happening. Because you gotta believe that you're literally capable of receiving what you want in life. Like, if you go into life and you just, like, you say you want these things but you don't act like you're, like, able to receive it, like, it can happen for you, then you're never gonna get it. Like, how are you gonna want this but then you're not acting like you're capable of, like, receiving these things, like, these better things in life? Like, you gotta make sure, like, you can receive these things. Like, you can't act like you it's impossible, because nothing is impossible. Like, literally, you can get anything you want if you put your mind to it. My next goal is I want to buy a new car, and the car I want is literally my dream car. It's so nice, it's so fancy, it's such a baddie car. Like, it's like, you know, literally that's my next step, and I've been researching it, and it's gonna happen. Like, it's literally, it's gonna happen, y'all. So once I buy my car, I'm getting out of New York City. Like, you know, I just moved back, but I love New York. I wish I could stay out here, but it is expensive. Like, when I tell y'all, it's so expensive out here. Like it's really ridiculous. Like, and my thing is, like, I just know the stuff, like, apartments here, the rent is just ridiculous. Like, you'll literally pay, like, probably like $4,000 a month, $3,000 a month for, like, a Barbie doll house. And I'm not even lying. Like, insurance, like, because I was looking at how much my insurance would be if I buy this new car, because it's a luxury car, and my insurance is literally, like, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, my car insurance, just because I'm in New York, one, and I'm 23, so you know the younger you are, the more expensive your car insurance is. And because I'm so young and the car is, like, a luxury car and it's gonna be brand new, my insurance is gonna be like $484 a month, like close to $500 just for car insurance. And I'm just like, bruh, what the, like, for real? Are you serious? I want to move to either Texas or Atlanta. I really want to move to Texas, but it's so far. Like, Texas is really, like, a leap, but I really want to, like, Texas is really where I want to go. Like, if we're being real, like, Texas is really where I want to go. But I'm such a family person, and I'm really close with my mom and my sisters and my dad or whatever, so it's just like, I don't want to be too far where I just can't, you know, get up and go see them. And if I'm in Texas, I can still get up and get a flight, but it's like, to travel, it's gonna be a travel. Like, Texas is far from New York. Like, it's literally like two opposite sides of the country. So, but it's just so nice. Texas is so nice. And then I was like, Atlanta next, because I've been in Atlanta. My grandmother actually used to live in Atlanta, and it's nice out there. I actually really like Atlanta, and it's close. Like, I could literally take a quick flight to New York from Atlanta with no problem. And I know people in Atlanta. My friends are about to move. A couple of my friends are about to move out there, and yeah, like, I know a lot of people in Atlanta. So I was just like, Atlanta. So it's like Atlanta, then Texas. like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Oh my god, my voice is getting, you know your voice get raspy because you get tired? Like, I'm dead tired. Y'all think I'm lying? It's really 5 in the morning. Look. It's actually 6. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm going to bed though, y'all. Alright, I'll catch y'all next time.
If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.